I know it's probably the softest thing that I will ever say, but
good morning, people.
I really like
so
you.
I'm going to town because I'm going to go get a Valentine's
and I know
Day
that I'm
gift.
me and I.
And some other stuff.
Me and
also,
you.
I'm going to get my nails done. I don't really like doing nails, but why not?
Every time I see you, get a feeling like I'm so high. Tell me, am I dreaming? How the hell you looking so fly? I just got a meaning when I look at you today. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. Hold up, wait a minute, I can feel it. This is so right, baby. If we kick it out, the future could be so bright. We can make a killing, so you shouldn't walk away. I got problems, baby, and I need you to save me. If same no, be on same shit. The same old things with the same click. And when I finally decide I need to change this, I will feel the same and even gonna say shit. But this time, I feel like it's supposed to be. I'm alright, why would you say no to me? And if you ever wish I will let you're exposed to freak, so I can eat that booty like groceries. I done got you day to day, nothing but a trouble. Baby, you should know that I could give a full bundle. Jokes, sex, movies, kissing, plus some extra colors. Maybe we could even be the next new pop. A couple Jay-Z, Beyonce, Erica and Andre, and into Robin, but we Klein and Bonnie. I can guarantee that this one go to town. We so just let me help you make your mind, babe. Baby, I can try to help you find your ways.
So I just come from school, guys, so excuse my messy room. What I'm going to basically do is that I'm going to get ready for Valentine's Day, which is tomorrow. So I'm going to work on my beautifying my face, my skin, and all of that, people, and all of that. Alright, so what this vlog is about, basically this vlog is about I'll get ready with me for, no, it's how to be your own Valentine, right? It is how to be your own Valentine, and it's also get ready with me as well. I shouldn't have started the vlog by this because you guys are not going to watch it anyway. But in this vlog, I'm going to show you guys how I be my own Valentine. But there's a trick to it. On Instagram, I'm going to post, starting from tonight, everything that I'm doing for preparation to get ready for Valentine's Day. And you're going to see everything. And I'm going to also tell you how much likes and people reacting to the photo on Instagram, thinking that I'm basically going off Valentine's Day, or I have a Valentine, which I do have a Valentine, because I did ask my friends if they want to chill with me for Valentine's Day, and they say no. And 2 years or 3 years back, my mom was my Valentine's Day. I never seem to have Valentine's Day people to chill with for Valentine's Day. And also I asked my kind of crushy person to be my Valentine, and yeah, he said he's going to be busy, so I'm going to be my own Valentine. And self-love is the best love, people, so get that in your head. Anyway, so this, the vlog is how to be your own Valentine and how to look beautiful and all this like we normally would do on Valentine's Day if you have a partner and everything for yourself. So that's what I'm basically going to do, and you're going to watch all the transformation and all the gags on Instagram where everybody's going to think that I am doing something amazing and special for Valentine's Day. Yeah. So you guys will see all of that. You guys see all, literally all this transformation with this. Alright, so basically what I'm doing now is I'm posting the pictures on Instagram of what I'm doing for Valentine's Day, or I'm getting ready for Valentine's Day, and you guys will see what I post, the image somewhere there or somewhere there, what I post, and also you'll see how many persons view the image. Not only on Instagram, because I'm going to post on my WhatsApp as well, so you see my WhatsApp and my Instagram persons on the side, how many persons view the image. Alright, my best friend Kay, she posts already, and that's why I must show you what she wrote too as well, and who's seen the image. So she's seen it, Shala's seen it too as well. And hold on. My best friend, she said, yes, Humpty. And Dre said, that's how you getting ready for Valentine's Day. So you'll see some of these somewhere there in the vlog. Whenever I get comments or anything, or I'm gonna show you guys how much person see it, you'll see it there. So you and I both know I'm not really doing anything for Valentine's Day and look pretty for myself, but it's cute to post stuff that you plan to do for Valentine's Day, because tomorrow is going to be flooded with persons with your Valentine's Day gift, and because social media is about showing people what you're doing, and since I don't have anybody to show buying a special gift and stuff like that, I am basically posting stuff like this. It's kind of an insta joke on everybody, but also me loving myself on Valentine's Day, and it's easy to take care of yourself and all that. So yeah, you guys will see it somewhere there. Yeah, and everybody's gonna be so jealous, think I'm doing exciting things, which you guys know I am not doing anything but posting fake Valentine's Day loving. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna watch that. Once again, good morning. Now, as you can tell, the sun is hot, but what I'm going to do now is that I'm basically going to stage a restaurant here right out there. This is our shed, and I like it for my rustic restaurant kind of feeling. And welcome to the rustic place. So for Valentine's Day, many persons do go out for dinner on Valentine's Day and stuff like that. So I'm going to stage a nice lovely Valentine's Day dinner for this vlog. And also, as I said, I'm going to post everything on my WhatsApp or my Instagram of everything that I did leading up to my romantic night for Valentine's Day. And in the video, I'll show you the comments or likes or whatever, everybody that view my WhatsApp status or my Instagram status. So you guys will see the photo or video over the side here or over here, I don't know where. But you guys will see all the comments and stuff like that, that everybody thinks that I have a romantic partner or something going on for Valentine's Day, right? Because Valentine's is about love, and nothing's wrong with loving yourself. So what I'm going to do, basically, I'm going to stage now a restaurant here, right here, for Valentine's Day and whatnot. Awesome. So let's do it. It's a nice rustic area. I'm going to put things on the table. Then I'm going to basically go get my nails done, as I said. Well, I'm going to do my nails and my hair and get ready to go out to the restaurant with my lovely significant other. So I'm basically ironing my skin down. I'm fully getting ready for the day.
Where's my vlog?
Then I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'm ready. So I am basically getting ready. So I'm basically getting ready. You can see my stuff in my hair and this is the complete look. I'm gonna put on my jewelry. As you can see, I love my nails. I love them so much. Look how pretty they are. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is basically I'm gonna put on my shoes and then I'm gonna get ready. Well, I'm gonna wait a while, then we're gonna go get ready and put on my shoes, whatever. As you can see, I love my nails. Look, I love them. They're so pretty. Anyway, so I'm all ready. I'm just gonna put on my shoes and then I'm off to go get some drinks. And yeah, and then you'll see me with my liquor and everything. Even though I don't drink, but I'm gonna get some form of juice, but you know, the other half drink. So you guys will see all of that in the vlog. So yeah. So off to my journey. So I'm basically sitting at my fake restaurant now and drinking orange juice and some Remy Martin fine champagne.
I don't want that.
With good English coming on vlog already. Drinking orange juice And Burger King, because once again, it is. Sorry. So once again, it is Fast Food Friday, and happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And I hope you all enjoy this Valentine's Day. Treated myself for Valentine's Day, and self-love is the best love. So enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching. And yes, I'm my own Valentine. I even know baby Avy, I'm part of the Valentine now because she come and still go romantic table. Happy Valentine's Day, baby Avy.